Here we are, a year later. We are now just over a year into this really awesome journey of doing YouTube videos. And at some point within the last year, I promised you guys when the channel hit 1,000 subscribers, we would be giving away a free 3D printer. So that's what we're gonna talk about. Over the last year, we produced about 37 full-length videos, a handful of shorts, and some TikToks. We've amassed 190,000 total channel views and over 6,700 hours of watch time by the time you're seeing this. And finally, just over a year after starting creating content here on YouTube, we've reached 1,000 subscribers, and I couldn't be more excited. Now, a lot of these giveaway type videos are gonna make you watch until the very end to figure out how the giveaway is gonna work. We're not doing that. You guys have been amazing and supported us on this journey, so we're gonna start with that. Basically, in the description for this video, there's going to be a link for a Google form for you to fill out. And by completing that form, that is going to be how we pull our winner. You might be wondering, what are the requirements to win this printer? Well, there's only a handful. You have to live in the continental United States, you have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel, and you have to do the Google form. That's it. That's what we need. And for whoever wins, you're going to win the Anycubic Cobra Go. We will ship it anywhere in the continental United States. A spool of filament, a handcrafted 3D printer toolkit with things that myself and cameraman Beau pick out to provide you, and you're gonna be off to the races. It's an all-in-one 3D printing starter pack, and who doesn't want a free 3D printer and everything you need to hit the ground running? In some ways, it took us longer and shorter amounts of time than I anticipated to get here. What matters though is we're here now, and it just feels kind of overwhelming, honestly. We're full YouTube partners. We have thousands of people watching our videos on a consistent basis and pretty solid engagement. And I'm really, really excited about the community we're starting to build and foster. And there's a handful of people that I would love to give a special thanks for us making it to this point. Loyal Moses for being a very encouraging person and helping to share the projects that we're doing. Jonathan Levy at The Next Layer. He had me on his podcast when the channel had less than 600 subscribers, and we grew pretty quickly after that, and we're still getting subscribers from over there. Maple Leaf Makers for helping me not lose my mind while I was building my Voron Zero. Builder's Mark for being an upstanding member of our community and hanging out in the live streams. Calyx for bullying Beau. Deanna, Nick, Nathan, my friends, our YouTube channel members. Thank you guys. It means the world to have you guys as a part of this journey. And speaking of the journey, how did we get here and why are we here? Well, just a little over a year ago, I decided that I really wanted to dive into producing content about the stuff that I like to make. And initially it was nerve-wracking and terrifying for me to actually be in front of the camera talking to you guys. And now it's really honestly energizing and exciting. And I love getting to film and produce these videos. And when I started this channel, I was genuinely at one of the lowest points in my life. I had taken a risky job move that didn't pan out. And this became kind of a creative outlet and something that helped me to feel better. And I realized really quickly that I wasn't going to be able to do this by myself and maintain a full-time job and somewhat regular upload schedule. So that was when I recruited cameraman Beau to edit the videos. And he and I have been side by side learning the processes of video creation, video editing. How do we make things more entertaining and more engaging for you guys? And along the way, you guys have seen him actually become an on-screen personality, hosting entire videos, helping me out with the live streams, doing all the cool stuff behind the camera to make these videos look good and make me not look like such a dummy. And I'm really grateful to have him on the team. As much as the channel says Rem Thompson's Maker Shed, he is every bit as much a part of the channel as I am, and I cannot imagine a future of the channel growth that doesn't involve him in it. 100%, this is a 50-50 partnership between him and myself, and I'm really excited for what the future holds for both of us and how the channel grows and progresses. And this time that we've been working on the channel has really helped me to get out of a lot of mental funks. I'm not uncomfortable on camera anymore. I'm not nearly as nervous to actually start filming as I used to be. I used to just sit in front of the camera for 5-10 minutes before we could even film one take. And now I can just rattle on for hours and hours. Now, at this point, we're both comfortable on camera, we're having fun, the videos are getting better, our viewership is going up, and we're starting to get noticed by some brands, which means we're gonna start being able to do even cooler things. So for everybody who's been along on the journey with us from day one or day 275, I don't care where you started watching. What matters is you're here now, you're here for the future, and you're going to help be part of the growth of the channel. If you enjoy what we're doing, be sure to give us a like. If you're excited about the printer giveaway, comment, let us know what you want to do with an awesome machine like that. And if you've watched a couple of our videos so far and found them entertaining or engaging, or you think we're boneheads, be sure to subscribe so that way you don't miss any of our chaotic episodes or whatever we're gonna call these things. And a special thank you for our level 3 and level 4 YouTube channel members, Snail3D, Deanna Duffy, Nathan Wolford. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't have some of the opportunities that we do, and I'm very grateful for each and every one of you. So for everybody who's here, thanks. And I hope you win the printer. We'll find out soon. Entries for the 3D printer giveaway end on Wednesday, May 22nd, 2024, which happens to be my birthday.